share, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks. Let's get started. Viewers, today we are going to make a solar cooker. Yes, it's a solar cooker, homemade solar cooker. For this you need a glass top and a box, and this one is angle. I make it with aluminum foil, but if you have mirror you may use mirror, both outside for reflector as well as inside. I am using thermocol and aluminum foil. Inside I am using black paper to absorb heat, and this one is aluminum foil outside, but inside I use thermocol and aluminum foil over thermocol, and I am using a glass top. I am using small size cooker to show you, but you can make big one. Now I am using some pulse to boil and show how to use this solar cooker under sunshine. Be careful when you handle it, because you are handling glass also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.